Hey guys, this is Gavin Graham here, and I have something important to tell you. It's very good news, but you can now request me some sound effects videos in case I ran out of ideas. Why? Because if I ran out of ideas, you can help me. Well, you can request any sound effects videos from me, like Jeffy getting feared by Cyrus from Dragon Tales, and Jeffy versus Mario from Super Mario Logan, even though I like the real Mario better. But, well, most of the time, but, alright, start making some sound effects videos for me, and also, I have something important to tell for Officer Poop 247. And Officer Poop 247, if you're watching this on the longest sound effects video 3 part 10, you can help me kill Dora. Because Dora killed me and Judy Hopps. Also, my mom will revive me, and an Officer Poop 247, you kiss Judy Hopps, and that will make her come back to life. And it might be very cool. Well, for that. And Latios and Latias will beat up Dora, and Latios will use Luster Purge on Dora, and Latias will use Blessed Ball on Dora. Also, this might be cool. I also want to know. I also will make the second part of the longest sound effects video 3 part 2 soon. Alright, start sending me what sound effects videos that you made in case I ran out of ideas. This is Gavin Graham, your favorite Kim Possible fan, signing off.